In today's video, I want to show you how I created a cluster in ULTA. So I basically already had it this morning, but I erased it so I can show you from scratch, what we look at. So to start with, we did end up coming off of a combination of a 100% projection and a 1618 extension that we had at the last high, but we have to look at the fact that, we do have a bullish pattern of higher highs and higher lows. And I want to set up the levels that it should hold if we are going to continue with that bullish pattern. So I'm going to start by running the symmetry of these prior swings and then projecting it from the recent high. Now these swings, that's going to come in a whole lot lower. But let's try this one here. And this one here. Okay, and then we also have the more recent swings. Let's see, this high to this low. Okay, we're right on top of that one, 209.45, and then this high to this low, that comes in at 207.83. And then let's see what else we can use. We can look at any retracements or extensions. Now the extensions are going to come in lower, so that's not going to help this cluster, but we can at least run the retracements of these two most recent swings, and you'll be able to see that we're now overlapping also a 618 of that slightly larger swing, and this gives us a cluster. So cluster is the coincidence of at least 3 or more Fibonacci price relationships within a relatively tight range that identify key support or resistance. Now the area that I'd be watching, well, so far we are holding above here, but anywhere from this 206.05 to 209.45 area, as long as we hold above there, I'm willing to look at new buy signals against that support, and know that if it holds, that the potential upside target is going to come in with the 1272 of the swing into the zone, which, let's get rid of that so I can see it, pretty much comes in at the 236.53 area, and I will consider myself wrong if we take out the low end of this zone. So that's something that I'm going to be looking at, and everybody have a great weekend.